Welcome to GPT Finder, the cutting-edge platform for exploring and using GPT models by OpenAI. GPTs are versatile tools ideal for various applications, such as customer service, education, and more. Let me introduce you to the GPT Search Engine, a sophisticated platform that leverages GPT models to revolutionize your search experiences. It offers intuitive search auto-suggestions, making it easier to find the perfect GPT for your needs. Whether it's for business analytics, educational support, or creative writing, our search engine streamlines the process, ensuring you find the most relevant GPTs with ease. Now let's talk about what makes GPT Finder stand out. It's a dual functionality platform that not only hosts a GPT modal, but also offers a user-friendly webpage interface. It serves as a one-stop hub for accessing a wide range of GPTs. You can search, preview, and select the GPT best suited for your specific task. Our goal is to bridge the gap between advanced GPT technology and easy, user-friendly access. Navigating through our options is a breeze with search auto-suggestions. Plus, our unique preview feature allows you to see what each GPT offers before you choose. You can use your keyboard or mouse for an easy and interactive experience. Can't find the GPT you need in our database? Use our Enhanced by Google search feature to find it. We aim to provide comprehensive access to GPT technology. We also invite contributions. If you have a GPT to share, submit it to our database via our GitHub issues page. If you find GPT Finder useful, feel free to share it on social media. Your support helps us grow and improve. Thank you for choosing GPT Finder, and stay tuned for more updates.